Jacklyn. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the body wave, okay? So let's get right into it. So how we do is we're going to start off like this. Your feet should be grounded, nice and firm, okay? All you want to think about is you want to start from the top and then bring it down to the bottom. Kind of like how you would do the arm wave. You start from one side and you complete it. Now you do got to make sure you hit every point with your body, and you do got to make sure it waves down. It's just not boing, 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 like you know when you take like a ball and it pops down the stairs? Yeah, no. You want to be like the escalators where they just like go smoothly up. Yeah, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, okay? Let's do that again together, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go up, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4, okay? So let's do it together a little bit faster, at the pace, because we have to. So ready? Out we go. Boom, boom. Alright? Remember, don't be boinging it down like you're taking a ball down the stairs. You should be taking the ball down the escalator, and it should just go smoothly down and up. Boom, 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 bam. That is how you do the body wave. Thank you so much for coming and learning.